Everyone, welcome to our lesson number 37. My name is Professor Robert. In today's lesson, we will learn removing a common factor and factoring the difference of two squares. Okay, let's dive into it. We'll look at two examples and see where we go from there. Example number one. If you're given an expression like 18t squared minus 32, we can remove a common factor from this expression. And in this case, this expression, for example, will be 2 into 9t squared minus 16. What you have to keep in mind when you're removing a common factor is what you remain with. Is it a square or not? And in this case, removing a 2 left us with a perfect difference of two squares. So then this expression becomes 2 into, since we have a difference of two squares, we must multiply the conjugate of the product of finding the square root of each element. So here we have 3t, here we'll have minus 4, and you'll have plus 4. And this becomes our final answer. So we will have removed a common factor, which is 2, and then factored the difference of two squares. So this gives us our final answer. Okay, let's try another example, which is a little bit more tricky. Minus 3x squared plus 12. Now, in this case, we will say, okay, let's remove a common factor. Now, in this case, the only way we can remove um, a common factor is actually by getting rid of minus 3. So if we are left with, if we remove minus 3, then it will be left with x squared, which is a perfect square. And we need to have a minus there to give us a difference of two squares. So if we remove the 3 from 12, we would remain with 4. So that would be our choice. 2. Sorry, minus 4, sorry, difference of squares. Because the square root of 4 is 2. But now we have a difference of squares. So we can then factor this expression to include now two factors here. And then here we'll have x, then here we'll have x, here we'll have plus 2, and we'll have here minus 2. And so this then will become our factored expression, first by removing a common factor and then factoring the difference of squares. All right. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and subscribe for more Algebra Made Simple. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.